When is the best time to transplant spider lilies? This is Audrey at YouTube. All right, so Joella, what is the best? Don't you have spider lilies?
I have spider lilies, yes. Beautiful red ones, blooming this time of year.
I've seen a lot of them.
It's
recently here.
It's this time of year is when they start blooming. The best time to transplant them would be after they finish blooming.
Okay.
Because then the stems are still going to be there, so you'll know where the bulbs are to dig them up. I have known people, because you notice when you see a picture of them, you notice that there is no foliage at the base of them.
Yeah.
So the foliage comes out in the spring. So that's how you'll know where they are in the spring. But then in the heat of summer, the foliage dies down, and then in the fall, then the flowers come back up. But I'd say either after they finish blooming in the fall, or if you see them in the spring with the leaves, then you could dig them up then.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.